we're here in Boyertown, little hometown action here today. We're going to be doing some work to this outhouse. It's double wide, has the pit still, which is kind of cool. We're going to actually raise it up, jack it up, fill in the stone underneath all this, and put new sill plates in on it, floor joist, and then plywood, and then set it back down, as well as build like a little box around it to retain the stone, so that way it's sitting on something and it's more level. So that's our project today. We jacked this up like we said yesterday. We used our 20-ton jacks, put blocks, and then lifted it up, put one of our oak blocks underneath each side. Before all that, we actually attached these 4x6 to the side with some timber locks, and then 2x4s across the front to lock it from opening and closing and not falling apart. So we jacked it up and supported it, and here it is, little frame, as you can see here, and a pressure treated around. Today we're gonna fill this with stone and put new sills underneath, set it back down. Right. All right, so we got these little test plugs, which are not going to be tests, they're just going to be a permanent plug. We're going to put them into two pipes there, because when we fill this up with stone, we don't want the pit filling up with water eventually, or a chance of that, where it can back up those pipes and possibly end up in the house if they're still connected. So we're going to put these little plugs in, tighten them down, and keep the water out. All right, so we've got this outhouse back on the ground. We put the new 4x6s all the way around the inside as the perimeter, as the sill plates, two 4x4s in the middle. We put new Advantech flooring in. It's just sheathing, so we did all that. And we put the boards back on the bottom. We replaced the front one, the front siding board, because it was kind of missing. And then we installed a new window form, which we built the window itself in the shop and came out and installed that.